Hello, Bachu. Let us look into the question. The question says that we have to write short note on trichocyst. So let us discuss it. The key concept that we would be discussing under this trichocyst. So basically, the word tricho is associated with hair and cyst is altogether trichocyst is an organelle, you can say, that is witnessed in the ectoplasmic layer. Ectoplasmic layer in paramecium, right? Getting deeper into it, ट्राइकोसिस्ट को ट्राइक्यूलोसिस्ट भी कहते हैं, ट्राइक्यूलोसिस्ट, and it is considered as an organ of offense and defense. So during the adverse condition, whenever the paramecium fails, like the paramecium or the unicellular organism is in danger, the tricholocyst secretes a fluid and it comes into the play to act as a defense mechanism. Apart from that, tricholocyst क्या है? Basically, they are bottle-shaped cells that lines the pellicle region, pellicle inner layer. Suppose this is a paramecium. This is paramecium and all over the body cilia is present. All over the body cilia is present. This is oral groove. Apart from that, we see certain cells over here, organelles, all over the body, throughout the body, in the peripheral region. These are trichocysts. And this is a pellicular region. Pellicle, this is cilia. And trichocyst is an intricate part of infraciliary system. Right? Trichocyst opens in between the alveoli, यानी कि hexagonal depression, जहां से सीलिया ओरिजिनेट करता है, वहीं से साइड में ट्राइकोसिस्ट हमें देखने को मिलता है. दिस इज सीलिया, kinetosome 9+2 arrangement, and here cilia. Now जहां से ये cilia, this region is called as alveoli, and जब ये alveoli का जहां पे end mark होता है, वहीं पे trichocyst which is bottle shaped cells, they open up during the time of emergency. So this is all about trichocyst. Hope you all understood. All the best.